Speak, listen, hub.
Struggling to read in English faster? In this video, you'll learn simple daily habits and smart tricks that can boost your reading skills in a short time. Stay until the end because I'll share one powerful method that can double your progress in just 2 weeks. Let's get started. I want to read in English, but it feels so slow.
Slow is normal at first. Don't worry.
But I need to improve fast.
Then you must read every day, even a little.
How little?
10 minutes is enough to start.
10 minutes sounds easy.
Yes, short time, but strong effect.
But what should I read?
Read simple books, short stories, or even news for learners.
Not big novels?
Not yet. Build step by step.
When I read, I see many new words.
Don't stop for every word.
But I want to understand everything.
It's better to guess the meaning from the story.
Guessing? Isn't that risky?
No, it trains your brain to think in English.
Interesting.
Later, you can check the dictionary for important words.
So not all words, only important ones.
Exactly. Focus on words you see again and again.
That feels less stressful.
Tip 2, don't stop too much. Just keep reading.
But sometimes I read and forget everything.
Try reading aloud.
Read aloud? Like speaking?
Yes, it helps you remember words and sounds.
Won't people laugh at me?
You can read alone in your room.
Oh, private practice.
Exactly. Reading aloud also improves pronunciation.
2 skills at the same time?
Yes, reading and speaking together.
Tip 3. Read aloud for memory and speaking.
Correct. It's powerful and fast.
I start reading, but after 2 days I stop.
That's because it's not a habit yet.
How can I make it a habit?
Connect reading to something daily.
Like what?
For example, read with morning coffee.
Or before sleeping at night.
Exactly. Same time every day.
Then my brain knows it's reading time.
Yes, and soon it becomes automatic.
Tip 4. Fix a reading routine.
Correct. Routine makes skills grow.
Should I read hard books to improve faster?
No, start easy first.
But isn't that too simple?
Easy books build confidence.
Confidence?
Yes, when you finish a book, you feel strong.
That makes me want to read more.
Exactly. Success gives motivation.
So, short stories, easy news, simple novels?
Perfect. Step by step to harder books.
Tip 5. Easy first, then bigger challenge.
Yes, small wins matter most.
But I forget words quickly.
Then reread the same text.
Read the same story again?
Yes, the second time you understand more.
Oh, less stress too.
Exactly. You already know the story.
That feels smart.
Repetition is the mother of memory.
Nice phrase.
Tip 6. Reread to learn deeper.
I can try that with short stories.
Perfect.
I always say, I have no time.
There is always time.
Really? Where?
Waiting in line, on the bus, in a cafe.
Oh, those small minutes.
Yes, small minutes equals big progress.
So I should carry a book with me.
Or use an app on your phone.
That's smart.
Tip 7. Use pocket time for reading.
I never thought about that.
Now you will.
Sometimes I read, but forget new words.
Do you take notes?
No, I just read.
Try underlining or writing in a notebook.
Like a vocabulary list?
Yes, with example sentences too.
That helps me remember better.
Exactly. Writing makes it stick.
Tip 8. Take notes while reading.
Correct. Notes equal memory power.
I'll buy a small notebook for this.
Great idea.
Reading aloud is good, but I forget pronunciation.
Then record your voice.
Record myself?
Yes, then listen and compare.
Compare with what?
With an audiobook or online reading.
Oh, I can hear mistakes.
Exactly, and then fix them.
That's powerful.
Tip 9. Record yourself reading.
Scary, but helpful.
Don't be scared. It's private practice.
I sometimes lose motivation.
Set a reading goal.
What kind of goal?
For example, finish one short book in 2 weeks.
That gives direction.
Yes, goals keep you moving.
And after one book, another book.
Exactly. Step by step.
Tip 10. Set clear goals.
Correct. No goal equals no growth.
That makes sense.
Of course.
Reading alone feels boring sometimes.
Then read with a partner.
Like a friend?
Yes, or join a reading group.
But my English is not strong yet.
That's fine. Everyone is learning.
True. Sharing makes it easier.
Exactly. Motivation grows in groups.
Tip 11. Read with others.
Yes, community helps learning.
I will ask my friend to join me.
Good idea.
Sometimes books feel boring,
Then choose topics you love.
like cooking or travel.
Exactly. Interest makes reading easier.
That sounds fun.
Fun is the secret.
So, don't just read study books.
Yes, mix in books you enjoy.
Tip 12. Follow your interest.
Correct. Enjoyment brings speed.
That's true. I read faster when I like it.
Exactly.
I want faster progress. Any trick?
Try reading with audio.
You mean listen and read together?
Yes, your eyes and ears learn together.
That sounds strong.
It improves speed and pronunciation.
So I can follow along.
Exactly, like karaoke with books.
Tip 13. Combine reading and listening.
Correct. Double power.
I like that.
It works very well.
After finishing a book, I forget the details.
Do a short review.
How?
Write 3 sentences about what you read.
Only 3?
Yes. Keep it simple.
That helps me remember.
Exactly. Writing makes memory strong.
Tip 14. Write small reviews.
Correct. Reflection builds knowledge.
I like this system.
It's easy and clear.
So many tips. But will it really work?
Yes, if you practice daily.
Daily? Even 10 minutes?
Yes.
Small time, big results.
And easy books first.
Correct. Step by step.
Plus rereading, notes, and audio.
Exactly. Use all the tools.
Then I can improve in a short time.
Yes, faster than you think.
Tip 15. Be consistent. Every day.
That's the key. Reading daily equals fast progress.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.